On the square paper below, plot the points A, which is at the point 5, minus 5, B, which is at the point minus 2, 4, and C, which is at the point minus 4, minus 3. Now, what we need to remember when we're plotting coordinates is the first digit or the first figure it gives us is the x value. So that's how far we go across. And we're always starting at the point which is called the origin, 0, 0. So for my first point, I'm going to go 5 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then because that's a minus 5, this is our y-axis. Because it's a minus 5, I'm going to go down 5. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the point A is this position. Now point B, remember, these are my x and my y. So you always start at the origin, and I'm going 2. Well, it's a minus 2, so that means I'm going 2 left, minus 2, and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's point B. And point C is minus 4, which is here, minus 3, which is here. And that's the point C. Easy. Easy 3 marks in an exam. More difficult question now then. Let's have a look at this one. So what does it give us here? Well, it says, or it gives us a 4-quadrant grid with a line from P to Q. The first part, it says, write down the coordinates of the point P. Right, the point P is here. Now, how would we write those coordinates? Well, remember, we're always starting at this point and we go across first. So how far do I go across? Well, I go across to minus 3. And how far do I go up? Well, it's up 1. So the coordinates of the point P are minus 3, 1. The point R lies on the line PQ. Now, the line PQ is just that line there. So there's a point on there called R. The y coordinate of R is 4. What is the x coordinate of the point R? So the y coordinate is 4. So here's 4, y. So I need to go across. Oh, there it is. Now, what's the coordinates of that point? Well, if we're going from there, it's 3 across and 4 up. So the coordinates are 3, 4. And all it wants is the x value. So the x value is 3 because the point is 3 across, 4 up. Last bit, the coordinates of the point 1, 3 add up to 4. That's because 1 plus 3 equals 4. Then it says, write down the coordinates of the point on the line PQ, which add up to 1. So, for example, if I looked at this point here, well, that's 1, 3. If I added those up, they would come to 4, so it's not that point. What about this one? Well, that's minus 1, 2. Now, what's minus 1 plus 2? Start on minus 1. Remember our number line. Oh, God, really badly drawn one. Start on minus 1. Go up 2, 1, 2. So there's our point. Adds up to 1. So the points are minus 1, 2.